So again, I took these two square roots. I got it's in between 6 and 7. Okay? So there we go. On the number line, right, this is going to be 6 point something and 7 point something. Remember how I told you this right here was going to come into play? This is where it's coming into play. So 5 and 6 were closer to 4. 5 and 6 were closer to 4. 7 and 8 are closer to 9. 7 and 8 are closer to 9. So we're looking at our example here, right? 37, is it closer to 36 or 49? It's closer to 36, so it's going to be on the lower end, okay? So it's going to be somewhere in the 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4 range. All right? So that leads me into step number 2. If the number is closer to the bigger square, guess above whatever that whole number is, 0.5. Guess above whatever that number is, 0.5. Okay? If the number is closer to the smaller square, guess below whatever the whole number is, 0.5. All right? So what I mean by that is we know that it's going to be 6 point something from up here, right? In between 6 and 7 on a number line would be 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, so on and so forth, right? We guess the smaller than 0.5 because we are closer to the smaller perfect square. All right? So now if we actually do this, right? We could try this. So we literally would do 6.1 times 6.1. Okay? We just guessed and we check with our multiplication. So this would be 1, 6. Put my placeholder. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 3. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that's a 3. Whew. All right. So we're looking for as close as we can get. And this is pretty darn close. It's only 21 hundredths over, which is perfectly fine. So the square root of 37 is about 6.1. The square root of 37 is about 6.1. All right? So let's do some more examples.